Hello everybody, this is Juan from Shenzhen Novecel. Today we're gonna make a video to teach you guys how to use this machine Novecel Q5 to laminate. This is Samsung S5. The reason I'm gonna do this video because we have done so many videos for Edge and also for iPhone, but we have never done video for other Samsung screens. As you can see, we have here several. Just move here. We have now Samsung A3 2016, we have Samsung S5 Neo, and because Samsung, there are so many models for Samsung. I mean so many, means a lot of them, and also for Xiaomi, Huawei, there are so many different models. With this machine, people say we are in every video, we are using this special mode, which is perfect for the lamination, also the alignment. You can have a very good finishing, but because there are so many different models, people are gonna think if you buy this mode for all the models, it's gonna be very expensive. That's why people always ask me if they can use a simple mode, which is like this is the simple one for alignment. After alignment, when you're doing lamination, you can use this black mat. I'm gonna take this out. You can put it here. You can put a glass and screen here. You can do the lamination like this. So this is the simple way. So my point is that you can laminate Samsung screens or other not very popular, because iPhone or Edge, you have to use the mode because you want a better finishing. So that's why you have the special mode. But for the other model, for example S5, you won't have big quantity. You won't have a big quantity, so you can have a simple. I'm gonna use in the special one, but you can use the simple one for the lamination. Now let's get started. We're gonna use the special the special mode for the lamination. If you want to say we're using the simple mode, or you can just click the video. I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna put a link around the corner, so you can click it and you will check another video that we're gonna use the simple one, for alignment, and also this one for the lamination. Those two ways. I just want to show you those two ways that you can use this machine for the lamination. And this machine, I'm gonna repeat. I'm gonna repeat. With this machine, you can use two ways: the special way, better finishing, and another one, a simple way. You can save a lot of money. You can have a lot of mode for some models that you are not gonna be using for a big quantity. Sometimes a few pieces per month. So you can have you can buy alignment mode. You can leave it there. When you have this job, you can just get a job done. So I'm just let's get to business. Get down to business. Firstly, we're gonna. So this is the mode. As usual, this is the one for rubber. Remember corners here. The one for Olga is the black one. So make sure every side just goes inside of this frame. So there is a frame. And Olga, normally we have, if you have a big quantity, you can buy a special Olga, the exact size of this model, for example S5. But if you don't have a big quantity, you can cut it. For example, this is the 5.5 Olga for iPhone, but I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it for S5. So this is the as I explained to you guys, because S5 at this moment, this is not, you won't have a big quantity. So that's why I suggest you can buy like iPhone 5.5, then you can cut it. Normally, I mean, normally when you have this. Normally for iPhone, for Samsung, as I explained to you guys, you can buy exact size, then you don't have to cut it. The reason I'm showing this video because people always ask me, so that's why I want to use the bigger OCA, and I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna do the demonstration. And if you don't use this special mode, if you use another simple one, you can do another way. But I'm gonna show you. To make sure you're gonna say all the possible way to do the when you are using this machine. So you're gonna say all the possible way to do the lamination. Also to you can also buy this one, but you have to do this very fast. If you do this fast, so you have to do this very fast. See, just to make it fast. That's it. Now we're gonna, this is the Olga. It's a little bit, I think it cuts a little bit. Let me check the size. I think there is a little bit smaller, but I think it will be okay. Let me check. So this is the glass. This is the glass. First, this is the mold for the S5. So firstly, we're gonna do the Olga lamination. So it means we're gonna do Olga 0.4. This is automatic, and let's say the parameter is 40 degree, 10 seconds for pressing, and 40 seconds for the vacuum time. So we're gonna get started. Actually, this one is what? This one is smaller. This one is 4.7. Actually, this one was I cut for S5. This one was better, but I used another one. I don't know. Maybe another one is a little bit size, a little bit, but we will see. We will see. Let's check the parameter, and also we have 8 different languages. We have Chinese, English, Portuguese, French, Espanol, Thai, Ruski, Deutsch. We have 8 different languages. So we're the first company. Novecel is the first company. We have with this machine. We have 8 different languages. Not even though in China we have some other companies. They have like 2 languages, and the English is not that. You know what I mean. But we have Spanish. We have Portuguese. So. No bubbles, right? There is no bubbles at all. No bubbles from different angle. You can see there is no bubbles. So I'm gonna put it here. So now I'm gonna have I'm gonna do the lamination for the LCD. The one for LCD is the red one. The red one. Make sure every side goes inside. And this is the one for. Make sure. Make sure it goes inside. So this is very important. This is very important. Okay. Now I'm gonna clean. So firstly, let's check. So this is the. So this is the glass. So the glass you can leave it on. Put it ready. You can let it ready. And this corner we can put a sticker on it. So. Sticker on it. Firstly, I suggest you can test it. Make sure because this one is not sticky. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get two of those, okay? Okay. Okay. Now it's ready. Now it's ready. I'm gonna clean a little bit this screen. Normally you're gonna have a dust-free room. As actually we have a dust-free room here because of the noisy. We don't want to too much noisy in a video. That's why we haven't turned it on. So that's why we're doing this without this dust-free room. Even though we're inside of this dust-free room, but we're not using this function. Perfect. Okay. Now let's go back English, and we have to set for OCA, and the parameter is 40 degrees, 10 seconds for pressing, 50 seconds for the vacuum timer, and we set for 0.1 or 0, a little bit more. It will be okay. It will be okay. It's not big deal. Okay, now let's go back, check for LCD automatic, and start it. As I explained to you guys, if you have a big quantity, I suggest you to buy a special mode for this model. If you have very small quantity, a few pieces per month, I suggest you get a simple one. This is the simple one, but this is only for small quantity. I suggest you, because there are so many different models for different brands. Probably you don't want to buy the special mode for each model, but if you can buy the special mode for each model, that would be fantastic. Because of the finish and everything, it is perfect. And also the alignment, everything. You don't have to use a roller, because sometimes people it's like my hand is not like very stable. So some of them, maybe your hand is big, so it's not very comfortable using the roller. So you can use the special mode. Just follow every step. You're gonna have a very beautiful result, beautiful finishing. How's the finishing? I'm gonna clean it. Let's just say how's the finish. No bubble at all, not in the corner, not in the middle, nothing, no bubble at all. So this is the finishing. So because this one we replaced the flex, now we replace the broken glass. Now we're gonna put a back stick on it, so then this screen is done, is ready to sell. Yeah, this is the whole video for S5. So later we're gonna do for S5 nail, which is G903, and we're gonna continue to make more videos for you guys, that you guys say how or what else this machine can do. And thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and also click like. And we're looking forward to receiving your comments. And please subscribe it, and have a good day or have a good night. Bye.